Do you still have the vinyls?
Breaking it down one foot.
Yeah, the ones I gave you.
What's wrong with me?
You know there's a turntable you can hook up with a USB to your computer and download a vinyl onto your CD or your iPod.
I'm trying to recognize some things too, but maybe I need to do that. You do? Check this out.
Yes.
Finish with your girl. Pass over to your boy.
Yes, it's two of them. There's a turntable, it's like an old-fashioned record player, and there's a regular DJ type turntable. And it was on sale for $99 at Amoeba in Hollywood. No, you can get them cheaper. Just wait around for it. Yeah, because it's originally $158, but we marked them all down to $99 for the Christmas sale. The turntables. Yeah.
What got you? No.
Yes.
Is that how it sounds every time?
Wow.
You got a matinee?
Yeah, it takes all of that out.
Got you. I'm trying to get down.
Yes. Yeah, and the vinyls cost cheaper than the CDs and stuff.
Steven, can you put that on speaker? Can you put that phone on speaker? Speaker here, Timmy.
The weather is nice. Yeah. Hold on, Timmy. Timmy, hold on. Can you hear us?
That's right there. You hear that?
Have to download your navigation.
Hey, make the speaker louder.
No, I got it.
You got it up?
Okay, can you hear everybody?
Hi, Timmy.
Steven, put that on pause. Let us speak here. How many calls do you have? Put it on pause.
What'd you say?
Hold on a minute.
Oh, he said hold on.
Me. Yeah, we got a car charger.
Oh, no, don't do that, Steven.
I'm in Tyrant.
Yeah, but you shoot across the octane.
I got a backup phone.
Y'all are crazy. Yes? Who is this?
Oh, yeah, I'm young rich, man. Everybody can let me wait till
Who's this?
I got you on my car phone now.
Yeah.
Oh.
I got my mom's Ontario.
Yeah, I got Bluetooth in the car, so I took it off my earpiece, and now it's coming to the car.
Okay.
On point.
Hi, Timmy.
Say hey.
Hi, Timmy. It's Cindy.
Hi, Cindy. I love you.
I love you. I'm taping you. I'm going to send it to you online.
Oh, my Lord. That's all I need to hear. How's everything?
Everything all right?
Yeah, that's good. I hear you're producing now, huh?
Oh, yeah. Come to Oakland. I'll put you on my show.
You still have
Oh, yeah?
I don't hear no more. What
Yeah.
did you say?
West stuff.
What's on, what is it called, YouTube?
Yeah, but you can go to betv.org and look up my show. I'll send you all the information.
Oh, okay. I'll do that.
All right.
Definitely do that. All right.
I love you, Timmy.
This is kids. Ask Mrs. Kids with him.
Where your kids at?
Oh, shoot. They're all over town.
They all over town.
Oh, they big.
The other one's
Oh.
They said what?
You're the only one missing.
Right back.
Where's Wanda?
Where Wanda?
She's right here. Merry Christmas.
Hi, Wanda.
Hi, Wanda. Merry Christmas.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
Love you.
We back.
Where mine? Hey. Where my love? Where my love?
Was I supposed to call my roommate's mom and tell her that I made it out here okay? She told me that. She said, I know I'm like an old hen, Michelle, but please.
Steven, say something to Timmy.
I can still text her.
Steven, say something to Timmy.
I talked to. Hey, what's up now? I talked to you earlier, boy. You know what it is. I already talked to him earlier.